Hello, hello, hello. And there's Spartacus. He is ready to go. He's going to play for you. How you doing today? See you, Spartacus. He's so demanding, I tell ya. Today, we're going to talk about an artist, a singer that is so popular in India. And you say, India? Well, I gotta tell you, there's an awful lot of you out there that are from India. Hello, hello. And you love this singer. And if you haven't heard about her or listened to her, she does have a beautiful voice. Now, who am I talking about? It is Shreya Ghoshal. And this is a request from Vanish Mishra, one of my subscribers. Hi, Vanish. Now, Vanish, I gotta ask you to please be gracious because sometimes I may not pronounce the names exactly right, but I'm gonna try my best, okay? She is referred to as the Queen of Melody in India. Others say that she is the Nightingale of India, the incarnation of goddess Saraswati. I think I got that right, hopefully. She is known as a playback singer and has received numerous awards. What is a playback singer? Actually, I had to look it up myself. A playback singer is one whose voice is recorded in the studio, and then the actors and actresses, they lip sync in the movie. Online, when I've read the comments and all the things that were said about her voice is referred to as sweet and magical, soulful, beautiful, and angelic. She is a classical example of a student of classical training. Now, it was her mother that introduced her to music. Her mother was a singer, and she refers to her mother as her first guru, her best critic. Isn't that neat? Now, I read some criticism and vocal description that I want to comment on. She doesn't sing full chest voice at all, from what I've heard. Her classical training has given her a strong head voice. Now I'm going to give an example, and that is what the training is good for. That is classical. But a lot of classical training leaves out the importance of chest voice and won't bring it up very high if they do. So chest voice could be but it's nice, it's full, right? Okay. One article about her mentioned the song Ashik Surrender Hoo-Ha. Now, Shreya did sing lower, and they mentioned that, but she is not singing in full chest voice. Remember, la 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 la, that is full chest voice, okay? She sang in just a very pleasant, lower tone, slightly chest voice. This is how classically trained singers approach lower tones, for the most part. Your Disney sound is like this. So I'm going to sing a little bit. When I see that this is what I know that it is here. That is your sound, your Disney sound, okay? But it isn't. That's what I know, what I sing from here. Going into a lower, really nice, full chest voice. That doesn't happen. I don't hear it. Another comment said she was a smoky soprano. No. Where? I don't think so. Her voice, her sound is a clear sound. Yes, bright, but very beautiful. It sometimes gets a little too bright, but if more chest voice, full chest voice, was added into her practice, it would add to the beauty of her sound. If this is how she likes to sing, though, and is happy with her sound, she needs not add anything. Did you hear me? She doesn't have to add anything. It's up to her. It's up to you. How do you want your sound to be? You don't have to add anything. Are you happy with your sound? Okay, then that's it. It is wonderful. Another mentioned her huskiness. Oh, where? There is no, I say no huskiness. She sings lower, yes, with a pleasant, a nice, an uplifting sound. I watched the video of the song Ashik Surrender Wuha, if that's how you pronounce it. And both voices sounded perfect for the actors and actresses. It was so nice. My only comment to you as singers coming up is to add some bottom, some fullness, adding chest voice to your sound. It will give the depth, like I said, the fullness, the luster to your sound that many singers are lacking today. Why do I mention this? Because I'm a coach, I'm a singer, and I want you to have all of your sound, the fullness of what you can be, what you can sound like. Remember, if you're happy, this is the sound that you have, and somebody says, oh, it's too bright. Are you happy with your sound? Do you like it? Do you feel a lot of people like your sound and you don't want to change anything? Don't. It's yours. It's between you and your maker, honey. That's it. It's not between anybody else. So enjoy your voice. Enjoy your sound. Okay? Ooh, I've got some sound here, and I think I'm going to play. Oh! Because it's such a day, yeah, such a mighty fine day, such a day, yeah, such a mighty fine day. Woo! Now, I sang that in head voice, right? So, whatever your sound is, enjoy it. But don't forget, you got to subscribe. You have to ring that bell. Leave a comment. Tell me about your voice. Do you sing high and you love it? Okay, great. Do you sing low and that's all you want to do? You got it. Thumbs up, 2 thumbs, okay? All right. I'm going to say bye. Have a great day. Have a great singing day. Bye.